Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can link your TikTok account to Discord easily. If you want to connect your TikTok account to Discord, uh, and the step-by-step guide, I'll show you how you can link TikTok to Discord the easy way. So first, what you need to do is launch the Discord application. Okay, so once Discord is open, you can just go to your profile. So click on the U options at the bottom right corner. And in here on your profile, you can go to the settings. So tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. And then you can just scroll down under the account settings in here. Tap on the connection. So in here, you can connect your accounts to access Discord integration, including TikTok. So what you need to do is just tap add at the top in here. And here there will be this TikTok option. Tap on that and you'll be directed to the browser. Okay, you need to log into your TikTok first. Okay, so log in. And now you need to allow Discord to access your TikTok account. So this in here there will Discord would like to access your profile, read your profile engagement, and read your additional profile and others. So you can just tap on continue. Okay, let's just wait. Now TikTok has been connected to Discord or vice versa. You can close this window and go back to Discord. I'm going to go back to the Discord app. Okay, as you guys can see here now, when I open the connections menu, it will be show that my Discord has been connected to my TikTok account. Here you can choose to display it on your profile or don't. You can just choose the settings that you prefer. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.